my ears! Dang, Mom, you could've gave me a warning.
Sorry, honey. It was an automatic reaction.
Guys, I think Billy fainted.
Who cares about Billy? I'm calling the cops. That freak with the chainsaw knows where we live now. Timmy, you and your friend go hide the neighbor's body in the basement. We don't need the cops showing up thinking we had something to do with it. And then our neighbor walked in and the freak started gutting him with the chainsaw.
Oh no! Hold up! Did you scream like a girl?
Is that really important?
To me it is, Big Chin! So answer the question or I'm taking you downtown!
Okay, yeah, I screamed like a girl.
I knew it!
Officer, is there anything you can do to help us?
He's back!
Oh no! Oh no! Shut up!
Wait, I don't hear the chainsaw anymore. Did he go away? Maybe.
Maybe his mom called him to come home for dinner. Maybe he didn't want dinner.
Okay, everyone calm down. I'm Officer Bubba, so everything will be okay. You put that weapon down!
Let's go, Officer Bubba!
What the hell? Honey, go fight him.
Me? Okay.
Let's go, Papa Big Chin!
Oh.
Papa Big Chin!
My face!
Will you quit complaining about your Big Chin face and get up? Yeah, get up, Big Chin.
Why don't you go do something, Big Mouth?
You know what? I will.
Timmy, I don't think that's a good idea.
Mom, they don't call me Mr. Miyagi for nothing. Karate chop that freak, Timmy! Looks like your baby chainsaw doesn't work anymore. Oh, crap! That's what I'm talking about, Timmy! Time to say goodbye, freak!
Brutality.
Sorry.
Timmy!
I knew that was gonna happen to you.
You be quiet!
It's showtime.
Get away from me!
Dang, bruh!
Yeah, that's why you throw like a girl, Big Chin.
Next time I'm sleeping, don't crawl on my face!
Dad, don't be mad at Cheeto. He was just trying to cuddle.
Yeah, Big Ginormous Chin. I just wanted to cuddle.
Do I look like someone who wants to cuddle with a diseased, mutated, rabies-infested rat?
Yeah, you do.
Just leave me alone.
Hey, Dad, look at me. Do I remind you of anyone?
Don't remind me. What are you doing?
Timmy, you're gonna hurt your dad by accident, so can you please stop?
Fine.
Tearing out the stitches of a deep-seated scar. Sky is turning gray. Living in a world of
Shut your mouth, SpongeBob! And I'm gonna see you in hell! Ugh.
Dad! I mean, Mom!
That's what you get for taking my knife.
Oh no, bro!
Now hold on. I'm on the floor. This isn't a fair fight.
No!
Oh my gosh! What the hell?
Stop in the name of cheese! Yeah! Cheeto! Cheeto! Mikey!
Billy said Mikey rise!
Yeah, I heard. The whole neighborhood heard, you troll.
Yeah, you son of a booshka.
Mikey! Get him!
Oh, here goes!
Damn! Honey, you're awake.
Good job, Mikey.
Weasel?
He picked up his chainsaw!
Holy booshka!
Oh, cover your eyes, Timmy. Don't watch.
Oh, I'm watching!
Thanks, Mikey.
Even for me, that's one scary son of a booshka. What's up, old friend? Well, goodbye to you too.
Is he dead? Yeah, he dead. Look at this meatball!
Well, looks like Mikey saved the day. My knife!
Okay, everyone freeze! It's you!
Not again!
He's getting away! Timmy, go drag that body and put it in the basement.
What the hell?
He's gone!
turning red. Sun is turning red.
I think that's his house over there. I'm kind of scared, Timmy. Do we really gotta do this? He killed my neighbor, so it's only fair that we do this. Yep. We shouldn't have came here. Yeah, well, he deserves it. Oh! 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 Timmy! Oh! Greg! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Let me go! Help!
Why are we watching this overgrown rat twerking? He's having fun. Calm down.
Yeah, Big Chin, I'm having fun!
What the hell?
Greg!
What about Greg?
The chainsaw man took Greg.
The chainsaw man? Did you two go looking for him? Good job. Now Greg is in trouble. Now what?
Please let me go. How do you wear someone else's face? Help!
Living in a world of Western world, tearing out the stitches of a deep-seated scar.
Who's there?
Well, what do we have here?
Who are you?
So your little friend likes to throw grenades at my house. Well, my son will take care of him.
Your son? You mean the freak with the chainsaw?
My son will take care of you all.
Hey, let me go! I told Timmy it was a bad idea.
Will you just relax, Debbie?
Did your son get kidnapped, baby Trevor?
No, but I wish he did.
You wanna tussle?
Listen, Debbie, we're gonna do everything we can to get Greg back.
Oh, when I get my hands on that freak,
I'm gonna rip him apart.
Oh!
Sorry.
Why are people screaming outside?
It's him.
let the party begin. You ready, baby Trevor?
Doesn't look like I have a choice.
I'll take that as a yes. Here he comes. Why your face look like that?
I don't know.
You son of a bushka!
I think you guys did it. I think he's dead.
Yep, looks like it. That was easy.
Oh my bushka!
Honey, your foot!
Oh! It looks like chicken.
Honey, he doesn't die so easily. Now what?
I wish Luke and Lucy was here. Billy, call Michael Myers.
You're right.
Mikey! You okay, Billy?
I really need to get new shoes. She lost a foot and she's worried about new shoes? You okay, Debbie?
That freak is gonna pay for taking my son! Time to play!
Ooh, play what? Grand Theft Auto? Roblox?
Honey, I don't think Debbie meant video games.
Rats! Ooh, that kick to the gut is gonna make him go poop!
Debbie, look out!
Holy cow!
Good morning, Marshmallow.
What's going on?
Oh, you're awake, Billy? Oh.
Where's my son?
Oh, Debbie, your hand.
Why is everyone losing limbs?
I don't want to lose anything.
I'm out of ammo. So am I. Where's he going?
I'll be back, guys.
Where the hell do you think you're going?
You mind your business. Yeah, what's up? This is Luke. Luke, you gotta come to my house right away. Sorry, Timmy, I can't. I'm at the beach. There's a crazy guy trying to kill us. What? I'll be right there. Okay.
Will you quit shaking?
Tearing out the stitches of a deep-seated scar. Sky is turning gray, and the sun is turning red.
Why are you crying, Snowflake?
Because I wanted to help and I couldn't call Mikey.
Dork!
Well, it's okay, Billy. Maybe you can help next time.
Yeah, so quit your crying before I ground you for 2 months.
Oh.
I'm just glad we got rid of this guy. Thanks, Luke.
Yeah, thanks, Luke. Thank you for helping. Honey, your foot and your hand, they grew back. You're right. It's like I could regenerate.
Whoa, that's so cool. I want to regenerate.
Get out of the way, Cow Eyes! Where's that freak? Oh, he's dead. But we still need to find my son.
Mom, I'm right here.
Greg! I thought I'd never see you again. Ah!
Greg, But how did you escape? Well, someone rescued me. Hello. Lucy!
Get over here!
Damn.
Mom, what's your hidden talent?
Oh, I can read minds.
Oh, you. No, you can't.
Oh, but I can.
Whoa, is this really happening?
Oh, it is definitely happening.
Think of something else. Oh, how much money did I steal from Dad today?
$10 and his credit card.
What's my worst nightmare?
Taking a bath.
Well, what do I want to be when I grow up? Because I never told anyone.
A farmer. Someone's gift.
Mr. Sonic, we're gonna have to cut you open to find out what's inside.
Honey, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I just cut myself, but I'm alright.
Oh my god, my baby, are you okay? Please, Lord, don't take him, please.
Mom, I'm fine.
Take deep breath, son. Now relax, it's okay. Breathe in, breathe out.
Mom, I'm fine.
Calling the ambulance, fire department, police, SWAT, everybody. We're gonna have an exorcism too, okay?
I think I'd actually rather be dead.
What's all the commotion? Our son just cut himself. It's okay, I'm on the phone with the priest. I have it all under control. Oh. You okay, son?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's for dinner? Hey, Mom, can you put some pizza in the oven? I'm really hungry. Oh, of course. I'm sorry. I didn't know you were handicapped. I'm not. So then you go make it. Should've known that was coming. Mom, can I just take a little peek in the fridge? I'm hungry. I'm sorry. And you are? I'm your son? No. I found you on the porch. You're the worst. Oh, hey, honey. When you're done with your snacks, I have a steaming hot turkey waiting for you at the table.
Alright! It's not Thanksgiving.
I know, huh?
What was that? Hello? Looks like they're playing a trick on me. Just go back to playing my game. Pay no mind. You're just freaking out because you're by yourself.
I will take your soul.
Player, give me some brew and I might just chill. But I'm the type that like to light another joint like. I got some bucks on it, but it ain't enough on it. Go get the S, the T, I S.
Hey, bro. Yeah? Do you think I'm ugly? Oh, no. Really? Oh, yeah. You're not ugly. You're disgustingly ugly. Should've known better to ask you. How about you, little bro?
I wasn't listening. What do you want?
Am I ugly or not?
Why don't you go ask your girlfriend?
What? What girlfriend? I don't have a girlfriend.
Exactly! Mom, Dad, we took a DNA test today in school, and I found out I am not really you guys' son.
Honey, what are you talking about? You are a real son. Tell him, honey. Oh, no, he's right. He's not a real son. You see, honey, he's... Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Remember 2 days after our real son was born? You asked me to change him. So I did. You son of a... That's not what I meant.
I'm leaving.
Baby, where are you going?
To the orphanage.
What?
Can I play too?
Nope.
Can I play when you're done?
Nope.
Or can I play with it tomorrow?
Oh. Nope.
You sure like that word. Do you love Mom?
Nope. I mean, yes. You tricked me.
Nope. I'm telling Mom right now. Mommy!
What a meatball. She won't believe him anyway.
Hey, Mom, can I go to my friend's house?
Go ask your father.
Okay. Hey, Dad, can I go to my friend's house?
Go ask your mother.
I did. She told me to ask you.
Well, tell her I told you to ask her.
Okay. Mom, can I go to my friend's house?
Boy, what did I say? I said go ask your father.
I did, but he told me to come back and ask you.
Well, tell him I told you to ask him before you came and asked me after I told you to ask him.
What? Okay. Dad.
Nope, go ask your mother. Go ask your father. Go ask your mother. Go ask your father.
You know what? I'm going.
No, you're not going anywhere.
What? Why?
Because I'm your mother. Attention! Dinner time! So we're having spinach again. 3rd night in a row. 3rd night? I get this every night for dinner. Do you rather have nothing? No, but like at least a bologna sandwich than this. Oh, you want a sandwich? Here's another sandwich. Oh. See, you gotta be like your older brother. He's dogging his food. Oh, honey, I'm so sorry. Buongiorno. I'm here with the pizza for the young prince. Delivery.
All right. Large pizza only for me. Please, Mommy. So just some McDonald's. Just a Happy Meal, please.
Fine, but are you sure you're gonna eat it?
If I don't, I get the whooping.
Boy, you will if you don't. I'll be back.
All right.
Honey, here's your Happy Meal.
All right. Where's my sweet and sour sauce? I told you to get me sweet and sour sauce.
You ain't asked for sweet and sour sauce, honey.
I don't want it.
I won't forgive you for this. With my phone. Are you reading my messages?
Oh, yeah. But don't worry, I'm ignoring the ones about Mom.
Give me my phone.
Oh, this phone? Here you go.
Give me the remote, you meatball.
It's my turn to watch TV.
No, it ain't. That's it. Listen next time. Drop him.
Ow!
Finish him!
Hey, I'm back from the doctor's.
Oh, hey, Dad.
Oh, did you tell them about your pain? No, honey, we didn't talk about you. So I'm your pain. I'll show you pain. Now, honey, we spoke about this before. And that's what? That I'm Michael Myers' sister? That's it, right? That's one of them.
Assume position. Remember this. Your happiness depends on my happiness.
Damn, man. Should've lied. Alright, you know what to do. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Do I look like an idiot to you?
Good, now call Mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Oh, hey, Mother. Do you think you can get me and older brother some McDonald's before you get back?
Sure. Wait, did your older brother make you call me?
No. I'm asking, Mom.
Oh, okay, I believe you. So I'll get the McDonald's.
Thank you so much, Mom. You're the best. Bye. I can't believe she fell for it.
What an idiot.
She better not forget my extra fries or she's gonna get a piece of me. She better hurry up with the McDonald's. I forgot to hang up the phone.
Are you serious?
You two are dead.
Daddy?
মাইকিং করে দে তোর তানিয়া আপু এখন এলাকার ভাবি
সেলিম ভাই আমি আপনাকে ভালোবাসি আপনি তানিয়ার কথা বাদ দেন তো এই
চল
তানিয়া শুধু ভাত কেন আর কিছু নাই
ওকে স্যার
Hey, তুই আমাকে
গর্জন করলেই সবকিছু অর্জন হয় না, বুঝছস?
তানিয়া শুধু ভাত কেন?
পাচ্ছিল এই তো সি সারাইদের ফসল ভাই, সারাইদের ফসল বাবা, সারাইদের ফসল,
তার মানে আপনি কবি না?
ছিল বড় ভাই।
জান
মাইশা এখন তুমি আমার বাড়ি থেকে বেরিয়ে যাও, যাও বলছি। আরে বেটা আইবো না জুয়েলের কথা কথা। আরে জুলি গেছে।
আরে হাসপাতালের কাজ শেষ কইরা সারা এলাকা। জুলি তুমি বুঝতাছো না, তাই দাবি থাকবো যে এক দফা এক দাবি। স্যার আমি এলাকার বড় ভাই।
ও সেলিম, পাগল একটা। শোন আব্বা। কেন খালু, সে কি করেছিল? তাকে কেন জেলে দিয়েছিলেন?
কি করে নাই তাই বলো।
এই রিকশা।
এই ঘটনা ইতিহাস হয়ে থাকবো যে সেলিম ভাই।
আরে জুলি গেছে বাইরে মনে কর পিক করতে, বুঝছো?
মিনিমাম 1700 লাইন কবিতা লাগবো। তুই 700 লিখবি।
পাচ্ছিল এই তো সি সারাইদের ফসল ভাই, সারাইদের ফসল বাবা, সারাইদের ফসল,
তার মানে আপনি কবি না?
ছিল বড় ভাই।
জান
মাইশা এখন তুমি আমার বাড়ি থেকে বেরিয়ে যাও, যাও বলছি। আরে বেটা আইবো না জুয়েলের কথা কথা। আরে জুলি গেছে।
এরকম পট্টি দিয়ে রাখছস কেন?
আমি চাই এই মহৎ কাজটার সাথে আপনি থাকেন। আমাদেরকে একসাথে
দুনিয়ার খাসা বেটা। হ্যাঁ আরে বেটা বড় ভাইয়ের মতো একটা বড় ভাই মানে টুকুর
কিন্তু ছাপাই না, সব মাথার ভিতরে থাকে। যখন পড়তে ইচ্ছা করে মাথা, আমি জানো ওরে বাপ করে দিই। আর আমি কি কমো জানো? তবু তানিয়া ভালো কেমনে বেটা কস না কেন বেটা।
এটা পইরে আপনার প্রেমে পুরো রূপ করে পড়ে যাবো।
আর তো
আপনি পারবেন ভাই, আপনি পারবেন।
কি খবর তোমাদের? কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? ভালো তো না? তুমি জানো তোমায় কালকে একটা কতবার কল দিচ্ছি?
হ্যালো, আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। কি রে হৃদয়, তুহিন মানা করতেছি।
কিছু না কিছু। ভাবি আপনি জানেন আমি একবার অসুস্থ হয়ে গেছিলাম, ও আমাকে রক্ত দেয়নি, আর আজকে আপনাকে রক্ত দিয়ে চিঠি লিখছে।
আমাকে বুকিং দিছে মানে আমাকে কে বুকিং দিছে দোস্ত? তোর যে আশিক আছে না, এখন তো আমার পিছনে লাগছে।
এই এই দুলাভাই সামনে থাকলে যে সালাম দিতে হয়, আপনি শিখাই নাই তোরা? কেমন আছো তুমি?
ভালো।
আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করবো না রক্তটা দিবি তুই? আমি কেন রক্ত দেবো? প্রেম খরচ তুই, রক্ত
আমার বন্ধু দিছেন আপনাকে অনেক ভালোবাসে ভাবি, আপনার ওর রক্ত যাওয়াটা বিধে হতে দিবেন না ভাবি।
073421934 এটা তোমার নাম্বার না?
জি জি, আপনি কেমন আছেন?
ভালো নেই, আমি ভালো নেই। আমিও তোর মতোই ভাবতেছি, রক্ত যদি দিতে যায়, রক্তটা
আপনার কাছে এইটা আমার লাস্ট রিকোয়েস্ট ভাবি।
আচ্ছা
কখন আসবে তোদের ভাবি? আর ভালো লাগতেছে না আমার। সে যে কেন এলো